Hi, my name's Mitch LaPointe, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology here at Mount Allison. I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about what we teach and what we do in the area of cognitive psychology here at Mount Allison. So in the psychology department, we have many different areas of research, and we offer many different types of courses, everything from animal behavior to development, social psychology, multisensory work, sexual health, health and psychology, and cognitive psychology. My area of research is cognitive psychology. I teach some courses related to that, including a seminar on the psychology of meditation. Cognitive psychology is all about how we process the information that we consume in our everyday life. And that can include things like attention, the way that we pay attention, memory, decision-making processing, etc. My particular area of research has to do with the way attention and memory interact. That is, how past experiences, your memories, influence the way that you pay attention, as well as how you pay attention affects the quality and the durability of your memories. If we didn't have attention, we would quickly become overwhelmed by all of the sensory information that are reaching your senses. You know, whether it's the temperature of the room, the sound of the cars in the background, the lighting, other people talking, etc. We would become very overwhelmed if we didn't have something like attention. So attention acts like a filter in a sense that we're able to focus on some things while inhibiting other things. Attention operates in interesting ways. There are physical properties of the environment that can automatically capture your attention, like a loud noise or a bright light. But there are also ways that we can volitionally use our attention. So goal-driven attention, for example. If you lose your keys, you look around your house looking for those keys. And that's because you have the goal of trying to find your keys. One of the unique things about this small school in this little maritime town is that it offers the opportunity for students at all levels of their education to get involved in research, whether that's volunteering in a laboratory, whether or not it's doing an independent study, summer research, or even an honors project. There's many opportunities to get involved in research and psychology at Mount Allison.